Tired of a cluttered Chrome toolbar you can't fix? Reset it to default in seconds with this simple trick. You know the drill. You install an extension, or maybe you accidentally drag something to the wrong spot, and suddenly your toolbar is a mess. Buttons you never use, icons you don't recognize, and you just want it to look like it did when you first installed Chrome. I've got you covered. By the end of this video, your toolbar will be clean and back to normal. Let me show you how easy it is. I'll show you exactly where to click in Chrome settings to reset your toolbar back to how it was. No digging through confusing menus, no guesswork, just a few clicks and you're done. Let's jump right in. Start with Chrome open. You can be right on your homepage or any website, it doesn't matter. The whole magic happens inside the browser itself. So make sure you've got Chrome up and running in front of you. Now look at the very top right corner of the window. See those three little dots stacked vertically? That's the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down will pop up with a bunch of options. Don't let it intimidate you. We just need one of them. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens up a whole new tab. This is the control center for everything Chrome does. Bookmark management, privacy settings, security. But we're not here to get lost. We're here for something very specific. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with a list of categories. Look for the one that says Appearance. Click on it. This is where Chrome lets you tweak how the browser looks. Themes, fonts, the toolbar. All that visual stuff lives right here. So now that we're in Appearance, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. You'll see a section called Toolbar. And there's a button right there that says Customize Toolbar. Click on it. A new panel will slide in from the right side of the screen. This panel shows you every single button and shortcut currently on your toolbar. And here's the really important part. At the very bottom of that panel, there's a single option that says Reset Toolbar. Click that, and just like that, your toolbar snaps back to its original state. All the extra stuff you never wanted is gone. It looks clean, it looks simple, it looks exactly like it did the day you first opened Chrome. No weird icons, no random buttons you accidentally added. Just the default layout that makes everything easy to find again. And that's it. Seriously, if this saved you some frustration or helped you clean things up, give this video a thumbs up. And if you ever need to fix something else in Chrome, just search my channel. I've got step-by-step guides for all kinds of little tweaks that make your browser work better for you.